Here we have a Lexus, and we're going to take a look at how to diagnose the check engine light. Now, we're using a generic OBD2 scanner, but keep in mind that using a Toyota specific scanner will give you better descriptions, and also might display more codes than a generic scanner. But let's go ahead, because even a generic scanner will tell you what that check engine light was triggered on your Lexus or Toyota. So what we'll do is we'll plug in the scanner right underneath the OBD2 port or diagnostic port. You can see there underneath the dashboard. And you go ahead and turn on the ignition. Press start without pressing the brake pedal, and that will turn on the ignition. Will not start the car. And then once the scanner powers on, you can select here OBD2, press enter. And you can see current DTCs, and there's P20, a camshaft position sensor. So that's one code. Let's look at a pending code. And still P20. Let's look at permanent codes, and there is no permanent codes. So once you do address that, in this case it looks like I have to fix that issue with a camshaft position sensor. It could be the sensor, it could be the circuit, but once you do address that issue, you can come back here and erase the codes. And but keep in mind though, once you erase the code, you cannot take your car for an emission test. You have to drive it for a few days before you take it in, because if you look at IM readiness, it will show what systems are not ready. So if you erase the codes, you'll have all these systems as incomplete. We have one incomplete there, but these need to be all okay. You don't worry about the ones that are not applicable, but if you have any incomplete, you can't pass an emission test. And then if you come back to the front, here you can see ready test. It's the same thing. It tells you which systems are not ready yet. So there is an issue there, catalytic converter there is not tested yet, and there is fault codes. So this car would not pass emission test. So that's it. Thanks for watching.